Are these the best headphones for working out? Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the JLAB Flex Sport wireless headphones. These headphones are made for the gym and working out. They have washable ear pads as one of the features. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user manual, adjustable tension bands, optional headband padding, USB Type-C charging cable, and the carrying pouch. Some features of these headphones are that they are sweat-proof and have removable and washable ear pads. They have the adjustable tension and have a Be Aware audio so you can hear ambient noise. And this shows how the bands work, and we'll go over it shortly. It has 20 hours of playtime, easy adjustable controls, and custom EQ settings. Out of the box, my first impressions are that they are very light. It has a flexible plastic build quality. And the ear cups have the left and right ear indicator. The ear cups also fold in for easy storage and carrying in the pouch. They do not swivel side to side. The adjustments for the headphones are on the side, so you can slide it up or down so you get the desired fit. On the right side, you also have a button on the outside. These have the controls for ambient noise to turn on and off so you can hear the surrounding sound, and toggling the 3 EQ presets: JLAB signature sound, which gives you amplified vocals and bass, balanced, which is equal and no enhancements, and boost, which amplifies the bass and sub-bass. On the side, you have the various playback controls and call controls, and the charging port is located on the bottom. As mentioned earlier, the headphones are fairly light. It comes in at about 190 grams. Installing the tension band is just a matter of sliding them in and clicking on each side to lock it into place. Same goes for the padding. Select the slot inside and snap into place. Removal of the bands is quick and easy. Just bend slightly until it pops out, and then slide the bands out. The ear paddings are very soft and have a cloth feel to it. These are washable and you can just remove it by pulling them out. The care instructions are in the inner lining. You can wash it by hand or in the machine by placing them in the pouch. So overall, I'm very impressed with the headphones, and they will be perfect for workouts. For comfort, I give it a 5, as it was very soft on the ears. Quality, 4.5, and sound, I give it a 4. The lows were okay. It does not give you the deep thumping bass. Mids and highs were fairly consistent and balanced throughout. Just gives a good listening experience for workouts. Everyone has different sound profiles, so it can be subjective. Taking calls and ambient features worked as advertised. Overall, having the features mentioned earlier give the headphones a perfect choice for workouts or even casual listening. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.